Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you how you can install incompatible apps in your Android mobile phone. So for that, if you have any Android mobile, just open the settings. Now in settings you have a search option. Just in search option just write for unknown and search it. When you search unknown, you will get an option install unknown apps. Click on this. And now here you will see an option called install unknown apps. Open this. When you open this, here is all the options. Now at the top you can see this Chrome option. Open this Chrome option, and now here just enable this allow from this source. Now whenever you install any app using Chrome browser, you can install that in your Android mobile. Just go back and same, just open all other app and similarly allow all the apps to install in your mobile. So this is the way how you can enable installation of unknown mobile apps in your Android mobile phone. Thank you for watching.